Hi everyone, it's Peter and Sue here from Garden Goodness Australia with some new tools that we've got in store. So we want to show you a few things that we've got. We've got some stainless steel top quality tools if you're into landscape gardening, heavy duty sort of stuff. Beautiful ash handles, stainless steel blade. These are your lifetime tools. So you buy it once, you shouldn't have to buy them again. So we've got a few of those. We've also got something pretty special that Sue thinks is even better.
Purple. It's Sue's purple one.
Sue's purple spade, which looks fabulous.
We do have other colours, but nothing like this one.
Not up to the colour.
No.
That's the best colour, is that right?
Yes, that is right.
Yes, that's right. And what else have you got there, Sue?
It's a dibbler.
So if someone acts up?
Well, no, it's to make holes in the ground. But
in the ground.
For planting. But
for planting.
It could be a pretty good tool for that as well, I suppose.
Keep by the front door in case of intruders, would you say?
Yes.
So if an intruder comes, you may be digging in the garden
They might come in and get it. We might get a rush on these now.
We might get a rush on these.
We probably shouldn't say that.
We shouldn't say that.
No, we shouldn't have anything like that.
It's a
very good garden tool,
for digging in the garden.
Yes.
For digging in the garden.
Yes.
And Sue, I know you recently got a car, but you found yourself a second car.
These are the best brooms you will ever have in the garden.
In the garden, okay.
Yes,
I thought it was for travel.
No, I don't brag about that. You said you weren't going to tell anyone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Everybody.
Now the petrol price will go down because no one's buying petrol anymore.
Because they will want a broom as well.
Okay, well, listen. We're saying it's for sweeping.
Yep.
You can use it for transport. They have been proven to be good for transport.
Just got to watch out for birds.
Just be watching out for birds. We care about the bird life.
Yes, we do.
All right, so if you want any of these things, gardening tools.
Yes, gardening tools.
Come into Garden Goodness Smithfield and we would love to sort you out with those ones.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye.